If your star sign was a cupcake. As a water sign, this star sign can be gentle and adaptable, but also powerful. Light green conjures up the underwater plants that thrive in the most variable conditions. They should embrace light green when they need to root themselves in their true expression. They should also remember that problems can't be solved by swimming away. Willful ignorance never makes conflict disappear, it only gives it a chance to grow. They are ruled by Neptune, and Neptunian energy is like the energy of the ocean. Magical, mysterious, and often scary. This star sign revels in that regal vibe and often enjoys holding court or playing host. There's nothing this star sign loves more than being looked up to for all they have learnt. Historically, purple was a rare pigment that was once exclusive to nobility and royalty, so here we've lent into those rich purples and golds. And this star sign isn't afraid to use its hunter spirit, its bow and arrow to explore expansive terrain, seeking adventures in places and spaces others wouldn't dare venture. They are notorious for their signature bluntness and their brutal honesty. This star sign doesn't take anything too seriously. It's pretty hard to stay mad at these wild optimists. Those born under this star sign are ruled by the sun, and like the sun, are often the charismatic centre of their environment. But not everyone of this star sign is 100% confident 100% of the time. So these colours really represent their gift to shine as their unique self and draw attention no matter who's around. This star sign is dramatic, so swirls of maroon married with gold touches completely scream drama, and with a little mirror there for self-reflection and just a touch of self-love. This star sign is an imaginative air sign associated with the sky and the colour electric blue. To take the metaphor further, the sky is not the limit for this star sign, and they can spend a lot of time in the day dreaming in the clouds. So I reimagine the night sky as a galaxy buttercream dream, and a rice paper swirl to represent the free-spirited and eccentric nature they are known to have. This star sign is an earth sign and such connects deeply with the colour green. Green is great for inspiring the star sign to tap into their innate prosperity and their gift of creating abundance. Like a verdant, lush green forest, this star sign is rich in life and splendour. So, structural buttercream representing resolution, stability and stubbornness, but nurturing, hence the beautiful flower on top. So in short, don't mess with their garden or you will get the horns. This star sign's moderate temperament is best complemented by the colour pink. Much like themselves, pink can be mellow and reassuring, and they can use pink to inspire in others the same sense of light-heartedness when it comes to conversations that require resolution. This star sign is known for their commitment to partnership and meditation, which this can help foster, so what's more light-hearted and carefree than cotton candy and love hearts?